In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an authorization code on Hostinger to transfer your website. If you're moving your domain away from Hostinger to another registrar, you'll need something called an authorization code. You may also hear it called an EPP code or transfer code. This code acts like a verification key that proves you own the domain and gives the new registrar permission to begin the transfer. Without it, the transfer can't move forward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that code inside Hostinger, and I'll also point out one important requirement that can stop the process if your domain isn't eligible yet. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and open the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Domains section. This is where Hostinger keeps the settings and management tools for any domain connected to your account. Go ahead and click Domains to continue. After that, you'll see your list of domains or websites. Find the one you want to transfer, then click Manage next to it. This takes you into the domain management area, where you'll be able to view transfer-related settings, including the authorization code. Once you're on the domain management page, look for the transfer section. In that area, you'll see the option to get your authorization code. Click Get Code to reveal it. If everything is ready, Hostinger will make the transfer code available there for you. Before you move on, it's important to check whether your domain is currently under a 60-day lock. This is a standard rule set by ICANN, and it applies across registrars. A domain usually can't be transferred for 60 days after it's first registered, after it's transferred to a new registrar, or after certain contact details are changed. If you see a message saying the domain is under a 60-day lock, that means the transfer can't happen yet. In that case, you'll need to wait until that lock period ends before continuing. Hostinger support can't override this restriction, so if you run into it, the only solution is to come back once the domain becomes eligible. If your domain is not under that lock, then you're good to continue. Scroll down in the transfer section and locate the authorization code. You should be able to copy it using the copy icon on the right-hand side. Make sure you copy it carefully because this is the exact code you'll need to paste into your new registrar when starting the transfer. There's one more critical thing to check before leaving this page. Make sure domain lock is turned off. Even if you have the correct authorization code, a transfer can still be rejected if the domain is locked. So take a moment to confirm that the lock setting is disabled. If the option can't be turned off, that's usually another sign that the domain is still within the 60-day lock window we talked about earlier. Once the domain lock is off and you've copied the authorization code, you're done on the Hostinger side. From there, go to your new registrar and start the domain transfer process. At some point during that setup, you'll be asked for the authorization code. Paste in the code you copied from Hostinger and continue with the prompts. After that, the transfer process usually takes several days to complete, often around 5 to 7 days. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation email related to the transfer, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on your inbox and respond if needed. That's normal, and it's simply part of verifying that the transfer request is legitimate. The main things to remember are that your domain must be eligible for transfer, the domain lock must be off, and the authorization code must be copied exactly as shown. Once those pieces are in place, the process is usually straightforward. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.